Hey, I'm Carson, finishing technician here at DMS. Behind me, just one example of what our amazing team builds right here in the USA. The DMS Freedom 3-axis CNC router. This machine is a beast. Whether it's the 4x8 or 5x10 model, you're getting feed rates up to 800 inches per minute, rapid rates up to 1200 inches per minute, a rugged, heavy-duty steel frame for unmatched rigidity, a 10 or 12 position tool rack, and a powerful Hi-Teco 11 horsepower spindle, HSK 63 or ISO 30 depending on the build. Everything's run by the Fagor 8070 controller, industrial grade with a 17-inch touchscreen and full CAD/CAM capability. Ball screw precision, air cylinder counterbalances, a 7-zone phenolic table on the 5x10. This machine is built to work hard and last. If you're ready for serious performance, check out dmscncrouters.com or talk to our team today. DMS, the name behind the world's best work.